I'm Jason Hammond, and today I want to walk you through fixing a dryer vent fire hazard. Not the whole job, but the teaser version. Enough that you can decide whether this is a 2-hour afternoon or whether you're about to be one of the 16,000 home fires a year that start in a dryer vent. Here's the scene. Your dryer takes 2 cycles to dry a load. The top is hot when it runs. There's lint around the exterior vent. Maybe a faint, scorched fabric smell. Every one of those is the same problem. Your vent is clogged. Hot, moist air can't get out, lint keeps building up, and lint plus heat plus trapped airflow equals ignition. Before you buy anything, inspect. Walk outside and find the exterior cap. Pull out any visible lint. Run the dryer a minute and watch the damper. It should swing open hard when air hits it. If it barely moves, you've got a clog. Unplug the dryer inside. Gas dryer, shut the gas off too. Now here's what the job actually looks like. You pull the dryer away from the wall, disconnect the duct at the clamp, pull lint out of the dryer outlet. If the duct is white vinyl, crushed or held together with sheet metal screws or duct tape, all of that is wrong. It's coming out. Go back outside, buy a $25 vent brush kit, chuck the first rod into your cordless drill, push the brush into the exterior vent, and run the drill while you advance. Add rods as you go. Lint comes out in clumps. Shop vac both ends. Behind the dryer, you replace that old flex duct with semi-rigid aluminum, 4-inch diameter. You connect it with worm drive hose clamps. No screws poking into the duct, because every screw inside the duct catches lint. If the exterior cap is broken or clogged past cleaning, you unscrew it, caulk in a fresh one with a backdraft damper. Run the dryer. That damper should snap wide open. The mistakes that double this job: using vinyl duct, which is outlawed now and burns like paper; using sheet metal screws inside the duct, which catch lint; using regular duct tape, which fails when it gets hot; kinking the flex duct behind the dryer when you push it back into place; and ignoring the code limit, 25 feet maximum total run, minus 5 feet for every 90-degree elbow. And one more thing, if you smell active burning or see smoke from your dryer or the vent, stop. Do not run another load. Unplug the dryer, shut the gas off, and call the fire department. That's a fire in progress, not a DIY project. And if your vent runs through an attic or multiple floors, that's a specialty cleaning, not a brush kit. For the full inspection walk, the brush technique, the duct replacement sequence, and the annual routine that keeps you safe, grab the complete guide at hammondreengineered.com. That's hammondreengineered.com. I'll see you in the book.